Hope in the next few weeks they'll have the woman's name and how she died. A 72-year-old Butte County man accused of killing 3 people and burning their bodies pled not guilty to all the charges today. KRCR News Channel 7's Tyler May got a front row seat in the courtroom this morning where he saw but was not allowed to shoot video of the proceedings. He is in Chico tonight. Tyler.
Well, Mike, Donald Clark either faces the death penalty or life in prison without the possibility of parole. But friends today in the courtroom say that Clark was defending himself. And this is not the first time we've heard this.
I won't condone what he did afterwards, but, you know, the issue at hand, did he kill those people? I think he was defending himself.
This is Robert C. He didn't want us to use his last name, but he was one of the few people who were in the court Tuesday to support Donald Clark. Clark is accusing of killing 17-year-old Richard Jones Jr., his friend, 15-year-old Roland Lowe, and Roland's mother, 46-year-old Colleen Lowe, then driving their bodies to a remote area near Magalia and lighting them and the car on fire. But supporters say that's not the whole story.
And as far as trying to charge him for special circumstances and the death penalty, that's absolutely ridiculous.
According to Robert, the Butte Creek Canyon area where Clark lives has a very slow response time from the sheriff's office.
We live in an area where on a good day, and it's an excellent day, the cops will come in 20 to 25 minutes. Usually it's longer. People have waited up to 2 hours for them to come.
And because of that, Robert says people tend to rely on their guns, and that's what he believes Clark did in this case. District Attorney Mike RAMSEY says a self-defense case wouldn't surprise him, but adds investigators have evidence that they believe disproves that theory.
Not only the bodies that he disposed of, but we have found the bicycle that he removed himself from the scene of the burning. We've also even found 3 5-gallon buckets of blood-stained dirt that he removed from the scene.
RAMSEY says investigators also found a storage locker next to the Chico airport containing the gun they say he used that night. But Robert says even with all this evidence, Clark is innocent until proven guilty.
Just that I think people should reserve judgment on Don until they know all the facts about both what he did and the backgrounds of the people that came up there.
Right now, Clark sits in the Butte County Jail without any bail. He's due back in court on July 23rd, and of course, we will be there to bring you the latest. Reporting live in Chico tonight, Tyler May.